Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on with the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 59. We start with this box. We're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 6 here, so 3, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this column, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this bottom row now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 4 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 6. 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing a 3. For this top row, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. And I've just noticed there's a 4 here, so that makes this our 6, 4. For this row, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. And for this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 6. 1 here, so 9 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.